What's new in the NotSoPro build of Android 12 Beta 5 running on the Poco F1? Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and we have a new build of Android 12 Beta 5 for the Poco F1. This one is called the NotSoPro build, and let us have a look at what is new and what are the bugs. And I do recommend that you watch the previous Android 12 Beta 5 video for the Poco F1 because in this video we are not going to cover everything. Anyways, so if you do enable your developer options by tapping on the build number a few times, and then if you go into the launcher settings, you will notice a new option called developer options. Yes, we have enabled developer options for Pixel launcher so that those of you who want to mess around with it, feel free to do so. Next change you will notice is that you do not need to flash a Magisk module to fix Volt. It will work out of the box, and you might have to go into settings, network and internet, and then you can go into your SIM settings, choose the SIM and enable Volt or set the preferred network as LTE for Volt to work without any issues. The next bug fix which has been implemented is offline charging. So now offline charging works without any issues. Moving over to the bugs. Now, what are the bugs? Well, Bluetooth audio is still broken. Your devices can connect, but when you try to stream music, it is not going to play on your device. The assistant hot word is also broken, but invoking the assistant manually works without any issues, as you can see on your screen right now. And another bug which one of the testers found out was the fingerprint bug. So the fingerprint works absolutely fine, right? It is super fast and how it is supposed to be. But if you tap on it one more time with the screen turned on, let me tap on it, bam, you see this is what is known as ghost touch of the fingerprint, and it might highlight a box over here or it might highlight the first icon. So me personally, I do not know how to fix this, and it might be a deal breaker for some of you. For me, it is not a deal breaker, but yes, you should be aware of this issue as well. Now with respect to the animations as you can see on your screen right now are pretty smooth and no jitters, no lags in the UI. We can also try accessing our Google feed. Here it is. Google feed, no jitters, no lags, everything seems pretty smooth. But again, this is a GSI port, so do not expect perfection with respect to the gestures. Again, switching between the different apps, no issues over here as well. With respect to your YouTube media playback, again, everything works absolutely fine. Live caption works, picture in picture works. Of course, for picture in picture, either you need to have YouTube Premium or you need to be in a specific country in case you do not want to pay for YouTube Premium. With respect to your Google Photos, you do get original quality unlimited till February 1st, 2022, because this is a port from the Google Pixel 3. In terms of portrait light feature, here it is. Let me try to edit a picture of my favorite football star, Mr. Maradona. You might have to edit it multiple times till you get the loading bar, and once this is done, if you go into adjust, you should have portrait light working without any issues. Of course, it will only work on human objects, it will not work on my chicken friend over here. Next thing with respect to Safetynet, as always the build is pre-rooted out of the box. All you need to do is go into settings, enable Magisk Hide, and you should be able to pass Safetynet without any issues. With respect to your Play Store, you can also go into the option of Magisk Hide at the bottom, tap on Magisk Hide, and herein it will load the applications. Make sure that Google Play Services and Google Play Store are selected and highlighted. If they are not, then tap on this search option. Make sure you enable show system apps, and then you can search for play. You should get both these options. Once that is done, you can go into settings, apps, see all apps, three dot menu on the top right, show system. Herein again you can search for play and clear the data for play services, Play Store, reboot your device, and you should be able to download your applications from the Play Store. And Play Store should also be certified, which means you should be able to use your banking apps as well. Then with respect to material use, so in the previous video, the paint chips were not working or that widget was not working. So let us give it one more try. Once you enable the Easter egg, you can go into widgets. You will have something called Android S Easter egg, and let us try and bring this over to our home screen, and bam, here it is. You can see paint chips are working without any issues. Tap on them. These are all the accent colors which your system is using right now. Tap on any one of them and you should be able to share these without any issues. And of course, you do have the new clock widgets as well. All four of them are baked into the build and working without any issues. Similarly, Material U is working like a boss on your calculator application, keeping it real. Works on the clock app as well with some fancy animations and a new UI when you try to set up an alarm. Again, everything is Material U, and once you update all your applications from the Play Store, Material U is going to work for your contacts application as well. And surprisingly enough, always on display also works. So we can go into settings, display, lock screen, and herein we can enable the always show time and info. Now it might not work for the first time, but when you try to lock your device, it is going to work without any issues. And of course, the animations are super dope in Android 12. Have a look at that fingerprint unlock animation. Impressed, super impressed I am. And eventually the question will come, is this worth a daily driver? Well, I've told you the bugs, I've shown you what is working. I think it is best if you decide for yourself whether this is a daily driver for you or not. And there it is, peeps. That is what was new in the Not So Pro build of Android 12 Beta 5 running on the Poco F1. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.